In front of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, access calendar by tapping on it. Now you need to pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, customize your event however you wish to. For example, add a title, change color, select starting hour or ending one. Over here, then tap on done, but you can also click on all day and turn off this feature completely. Then select repeat and pick one of those options. I don't want my event to repeat, so I will go with never. Go back, choose location, take notes, and some other things. But when you're ready, remember to choose save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on it over here, selecting one of those options. I will go with, for example, location. Then adjust your event however you wish to and save your changes by tapping on save over here. You can also delete it by tapping on it again, but this time choosing this pin icon at the bottom right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!